followed the path. Hip hop hop! Did you pack the carrot tops? Hey! All the bunnies from the glens brought their wobbly bunny friends. Kittens tugging tartan rugs, chasing floating midges bugs.
Basket bigger than the sun, tilted, toppled, out they run. Eggs go rolling, whoopsie-woo, down the hill and past you.
Oh no! Bunny picnic at Glen Coe, every whisker in a row. Where'd the stripy eggy go? Nobody knows.
Ha! Ha!
Tiny paws and muddy toes, chocolate on each button nose. Found it under Nana's tail, slide whistle swoop.
Epic fail! Ooh yeah!
One wee bunny named McSprout hid an egg inside his snout, sneezed it out in Technicolor on a kitten on his collar.
Kettle whistling like a loon, turnip sandwiches at noon. Someone sat in jelly cake, squishy, gushy, seat mistake.
Ew. Bunny picnic at Glen Coe, every whisker in a row. Where'd the stripy eggy go? Under your toe.
Gotcha!
Tiny paws and muddy toes, raindrop dances on their bows. Clouds go boo, then run away, kazoo fan fan.